Saturn, the stunning gas giant in our solar system, has dazzled astronomers for centuries with its incredible rings and numerous moons. But have you ever wondered how these majestic rings actually formed? Well, scientists have been working tirelessly to uncover the secrets of Saturn's rings. Thanks to NASA's Cassini mission, which orbited Saturn for 13 years, we've made some groundbreaking discoveries. One of the most surprising findings from Cassini was the age of Saturn's rings. They're not as ancient as we thought. Instead, they appear to be relatively young, just a few million years old. But if they're so young, what was Saturn like for the rest of its long history? Now, here comes the exciting part. A team of researchers from NASA and Durham University in the UK proposed a fascinating theory. They suggest that Saturn's rings might have formed through a recent collision between two ancient icy moons. To test their hypothesis, scientists ran nearly 200 computer simulations of this moon collision. Imagine two moons, about the size of Saturn's current moons Dione and Rhea, smashing into each other. What could happen? The simulations provided some incredible insights. It turns out that a collision like this could explain the existence of Saturn's rings. But how does it work? Even though Saturn's rings appear to be made mostly of ice, it's not that simple. The icy moons likely have rocky cores. The simulations showed that after a collision, the ice and rocks would move differently, leading to the formation of the rings. We also learned about something called the Roche limit, a crucial factor in ring formation. It's the boundary where the gravity of the planet overpowers the gravity of the orbiting material. Rings can only form within this limit. So, these simulations suggest that ice-rich rings are a natural outcome of moon collisions. The rocky cores stick together, while the ice spreads out closer to Saturn's surface, creating those beautiful rings. Well, that wraps up our cosmic journey for today. Saturn's rings remain a source of wonder and intrigue, and this new theory takes us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more exciting space explorations. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep looking up at the stars.